Hey everyone, today I'm super excited to be unboxing a revolutionary and unique product called the emGuarde from Enagic. So if you're somebody that is concerned about the impacts of EM radiation on your health and your family's health, and you want to take control of your environment, you're going to be loving this, right? So this is the emGuarde, and the emGuarde is designed to suppress targeted electromagnetic noise radiation between 3 megahertz to 1000 megahertz. All in all, to protect you and your loved ones in your home, office, and wherever you go. So today we're going to do an unboxing video. So let's do an unboxing together. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the unboxing video of the fastest growing EMF protector in the whole world called the emGuarde. As you open the box, you're going to be welcomed with a beautiful black and gold welcome card. And there you have the emGuarde. You want to lift it with 2 fingers on both sides. And what you're going to see on the side of the emGuarde is a white E logo, which lights up when it's on, and the port for the USB-C. Now, once the emGuarde is removed, what you will see is also the package box for the USB to USB-C cable, which you're going to be using later on, as well as the product manual to explain everything about the device. And it comes in multiple languages, so be sure to read the product manual thoroughly. Now, when it comes to USB-C cable, you would notice that the head of the USB-C is longer than your standard issue. So make sure you use the dedicated cable to power up your emGuarde. Now, how about the specifications of the emGuarde? Now, the most important thing is the emGuarde requires a 5V 2 to 6A output from the adapters that you'll be getting from the market. And make sure when you get an adapter, it is a single output of 5V 2A to 6A.